I started this challenge with one clear goal: build a TikTok shop and make my first digital product sales in 100 days, starting from zero. Here's what happened. Day 1. I opened my laptop, went on Etsy Hunt, and sorted by top digital products. I wrote down the top 5 ideas on a notepad. Day 3. I headed to TikTok Creative Center and typed digital planner. The most popular videos were simple and relatable. Day 5. I used Google Trends to check Notion template. I could see steady growth. Then I went to Answer the Public and typed Notion Planner. The top searches said things like how to stay organized on Notion and best Notion templates for business. That was enough validation. Day 7. I decided 2 products, 1 Notion planner for creators, 1 daily habit tracker as a PDF. Days 8 to 10, I opened Notion and mapped out exactly how I would create and sell each product. I added pages for research notes, product tasks, and content plans. That became my command center. Day 11. I opened Canva. I added a header that said Creator Daily Planner and started designing small sections: tasks, ideas, goals. I kept the fonts clean and used pastel highlights to keep it easy on the eyes. Day 13. I went to Notion and created a Notion planner for creators. To make it interactive, I added checkboxes, toggles, and linked pages for monthly goals. After a few hours, it started to look like a real system. Day 17. I exported both products: the Notion planner as a shareable link, the PDF tracker as a downloadable file. Then I opened Google Drive, created a folder called Digital Product Assets, and stored everything there: final files, screenshots, and short product descriptions. Day 20. I sent both products to 2 friends for feedback. One said the Notion planner helped her stay consistent with content. The other said the tracker was too simple. So I added small checkmark icons and a weekly reflection box. That change made it more complete. Day 26. I applied for a TikTok Shop Seller Center account. I filled out the form, uploaded my product details, and submitted it. Then I waited. Day 28. While the account was under review, I built a landing page on Card. I added product previews, short descriptions, and 2 buy buttons, each linked to PayHip for payments and file delivery. Day 30. I created a Koji link in bio page for my TikTok profile. Just 2 links, one to the Card website, one to a free sample download. Day 33. The TikTok Shop account got approved. I uploaded both digital products with short titles and cover images from Canva. Day 36. I opened ChatGPT and wrote my first TikTok script. I filmed myself clicking through the Notion planner, did a quick voiceover, added captions in CapCut, synced trending audio, and posted it. Day 40. My first post hit 400 views. Not viral, but that was enough to keep going. Day 45. My daily routine started forming. Record 2 short videos each day, edit during lunch, post before dinner. On this day, I posted a video that reached over 1,000 views. Day 50. I replied to every comment and DM. Some people just said nice, others asked where to get the planner. Every question was a chance to start a small conversation. Day 55. I used Excelit to study creators in the same niche. I wrote down ideas from top-performing videos and filmed my own version, showing my setup. The next morning, it had 2,300 views and 1 sale notification from PayHip. Day 60. I created a free mini version of my Notion planner and offered it through MailerLite in exchange for email signups. In 3 days, I gained 40 subscribers. Day 65. My TikTok analytics showed that my tutorial-style videos had twice the watch time compared to my talking clips. I focused only on those from now. Day 75. I created a Google form titled Share Your Experience. I sent it to every buyer. The first response said, "This planner helps me plan content faster." I copied that line and added it to my Card page as a testimonial. Day 90. I repurposed my top TikToks into Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. I uploaded them with the same captions and calls to action. Within a week, one of my shorts reached 700 views and led to 3 new email subscribers. Day 93. I added a new product bundle on PayHip. Creator Starter Pack included both digital products plus a small bonus checklist. I priced it slightly higher than the single items, but highlighted it as a best value. Most sales shifted to the bundle immediately. Day 100. I opened my TikTok analytics and checked the numbers: 152 followers, 8 total product sales, 60 email subscribers. My system was running on its own. I learned something massive. The first 100 days can change everything if you stay in motion long enough to see what happens when you don't quit.